Our new resi-TINT MAX range takes resin pigments to new levels. We use a polymer binder for the raw pigment, which ensures rapid dispersion, superior compatibility and a rich colour change. The chemistry of the pigment formulation shows remarkable results in creating cell effects on its own. The cells that result can be enhanced by the addition of Resi-Blast dispersion additive. Most of the colours have a BW light fast rating of 8, which is the highest possible. This means they won't fade or change their shade prematurely. We have launched 19 colours to begin with, but we intend adding many more variants in the near future. Check them out at eli-chem.co.uk.